Question 13. A cube has a volume of 1,728 cubic centimeters. We need the length of the diagonal across one of its faces to 2 decimal places.
Here's the cube. Every edge of a cube is the same length. The diagonal we want runs corner to corner across one square face. First, we find the edge. The volume of a cube is the side cubed, so the side is the cube root of 1,728, which is 12 centimeters. Now look at one face. It's a 12 by 12 square. The diagonal splits it into a right-angled triangle, so by Pythagoras, the diagonal is the square root of 12 squared plus 12 squared. That's the square root of 288, which is 16.97 centimeters. Well done. That's question 13 complete.